Kusama is one such organization that offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one bound-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a shared organization, Kusama has colossal advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including perfect administration. The upgraded foundation permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by engineers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which expects three fundamental purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with fair Kusama cost expectation, actually take a look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the Constitution. The whole programming on the Kusama project is open source, benefiting from the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange classification, making it a versatile organization, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are pointers for different clients on the organization, putting the power at last in the possession of clients. Kusama has customary overhaul planned, and that implies this convention by designers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Additionally, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate has arranged large for the future, setting out on different associations and coordinated efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information. The KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and trustworthy stage to its dealers for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and manufactured resources for single out from. These redesigns and effective tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of shrewd agreements all over. The redesign has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the Kusama organization, on trade considerably. Kusama Specialized Examination. The fruitful ICO of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50. The dealer's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most reliable Kusama cost forecasts, one of the main advances is to break down KSM's past execution. Soon after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable enormous flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an impressive leap that mirrored a colossal measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital currency market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has displayed an extraordinary change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Subsequently, the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in energy. Somewhat recently, Kusama enrolled its new all-time high of $623. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges unfolded, and cash changed hands, as indicated by information. Kusama gauges market opinion. Kusama cost is at present moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The coursing supply of 8,470,098 KSM. In light of our Kusama cost figure, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $641.56. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is estimated to reach $107.53 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $134.41. Lease cost $91.40. By January 2023 end, it ought to effectively swing around $120.82, making it a wise venture. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As per our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM USD is GWP at $847.49 following a year. What's in store holds splendid for Kusama. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a cost of $830 per KSM for exchange on the trade diagram. As per our computation, A 10 times yearly increment every year is a superb venture resource contrasted with Bitcoin and different coins. A ton of Kusama projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of ventures would have been finished subsequently. An inside and out bullish estimate of $24,074,377.60, making it a beneficial speculation by 2022 end. In the same way as other digital forms of money, KSM USD is additionally helpless against market developments and high unpredictability. Notwithstanding, in spite of being exceptionally unpredictable, KSM has shown steady development over the long haul according to the sticker cost of view in Kusama specialized examination. Kusama Value Forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish cost pattern. There are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and bucks, the Kusama cost just shows a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $184.21 mark. Kusama Value Forecast 2023, going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and gauge information. KSM cost has been straying from its way regularly every several years. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for KSM cost for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $214.04 once more. Be that as it may, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists disagree with this disorder. Kusama Value Forecast 2024, yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal in light of the gauge that KSM cost will manage the crypto realm with a presentation of most exorbitant cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, as conceded by the Organization of Virtual Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no significant variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be headed for fix work coming soon for every world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225 minus $285 by 2025, in view of our figures with mass reception. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun floating towards hopefulness as opposed to cynicism. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very reassuring, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Might I at any point bring in cash with KSM? Without a doubt, yes. As indicated by our gauges, Kusama is certainly a productive speculation for what's in store. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most reduced cost execution also has not been disheartening.